towards our daily food. Yes, see, personal hygiene gives us healthy and a disease-free life. So let's see what is hygiene means. See, hygiene is defined as the science and practice of maintaining good health. Yeah. So this personal hygiene is taking care of one's own body. There are four main aspects of personal hygiene are like cleanliness, rest and sleep, physical exercise and healthy habits. First, moving on to the cleanliness. See, this cleanliness of hand and skin is the most essential part of our daily life. On starting our day, we use many things while handling them. We touch the object like furniture, coins, supporting rods in the buses and seats, right? Yeah. So, every object that we touch or pick may carry germs, so which are transformed to the different parts of our body. So thus it can also pass into the body through food. So we can maintain the personal hygiene by following some of the measures that help us to attain a disease-free life. The first one is, what is that? Practicing of washing hands daily with soap before having the food is very important. Next one is, many people ignore washing of the hands properly after using toilets or washrooms. So practice of washing hands after using toilets using soap is very important. Then next one is the proper and the particular cleansing and drying of various clefts and folds of skin like arms, legs, toes. Next one is a proper and a daily washing of undergarments and handkerchiefs. That's very important. Next one is frequently washing and regular combing of our hair gives not only the healthy hair but also keeps the hair free from what? Yeah, lice and dandruff. Then brushing teeth twice a day keeps the teeth free from germs and infection. So making a habit of brushing teeth daily, so once in the early morning and once before going to the bed at night is good for our teeth. So you should practice mouthwash also. So after eating the food and after eating the sweets is also good for the teeth and gums. Then always while sneezing like this, yeah, or coughing, hold a hand. See, when I was coughing, I was holding hand, right? Like this. Or handkerchief in front of the nose and mouth. That is very good. And not only this hand, hair, but even eye also. Eye care is also an important part of an hygiene. So cleansing of an eye regularly with clear water 2 or 3 times a day to prevent from the infection is must. So trachoma and the conjunctive eyes are the 2 common diseases caused by the dust and contamination. And one more thing, never share towels with each other, even with the family or within the family. Also, never share the kajal used by the others, which can also lead to infection. The next one is the ears are one of the important organ of our body, so which should be cleansed properly and regularly. So the wax which will be in the inside the ear, that is formed in the ear should be cleansed with the soft swab, and don't put any sharp object into the ear which damages the eardrum. And systematic physical exercise is necessary for every age group from children, adolescents, young and old people. Yes, because this physical exercise improves the blood circulation. Next one, every organ is in our body needs rest. So, organ needs rest when we are sleeping. They will rest then only, right? They will rest when we are sleeping. So, every age group requires adequate and sound sleep on average of 6 hours per day. So going to the bed at late hours or going to the bed immediately after dinner is not good for health. And every day the bowl should be cleared. Yeah. And on the other side, cleanliness of the house is also very important. The room should be well ventilated for fresh air and sunlight. And the proper ventilation with sunlight will kill the germs. So thus, we should care for everything in our daily life with proper hygiene so that we can ensure a healthy life.